This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula Kotzen. This home has been carefully cared for. Located in sought after the dining room, Phillips community. Within 30 minutes of downtown, theme parks, or the airport. A stunning gourmet kitchen installed. You will never see so many Pecan with cabinets and quartz countertops. Gas cooking, which is highly unusual in this area. The kitchen opens up to an oversized family room with surround sound for theater-like viewing and wonderful gatherings. There is a separate dining area if one needs an oversized table setting. Several solar tubes allow for the dark areas to be brightened with Florida sunshine. The porch was enclosed to provide a sunroom, which is now an office space. The roof has been replaced. Insulated windows in the bedroom and living room windows. The corner lot provides large mature shade trees. The front yard is terraced and in the spring flowers with colors.Wonderful schools nearby and walking distance to the dining room. Philips YMCA and the Marketplace shopping center that can serve all your needs. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula Kotzen at 407-876-2090.